And we're live! We're live, folks. Shiz.
Hello and welcome. Welcome back to Shazid Back of the Fridge official
We're back,
podcast.
finally.
Welcome back. If you are returning, which we know you're not,
Why?
we know that you are not a returning listener.
Hey,
This is your
guys.
first time.
And to,
Nobody saw the first one.
and to that, I say make sure to subscribe to YouTube, and if you're listening on anything else, do whatever the equivalent is.
Guys, comment, um, microwave if you are listening to the podcast right now.
Guys,
Comment on the podcast.
we just really like kitchen appliances.
Yes. Fridge. A
Microwave,
fridge.
blender,
I
egg,
love that
egg
3D
cooker,
modeling. Yes.
egg. Did you know
Xbox 360.
that's my favorite kitchen appliance?
I'm
You know,
back at the Xbox 360.
I got an extension cord the other day, so I could totally try and hook up my 360.
360?
Yeah,
And then you play PlayStation.
yeah.
What's the big deal, man?
I my parents bought it.
Your parents bought what, the 360 or the PS?
The PS. My aunt got me the 360 when I was like 7.
You mean Ant?
Anyways, hey guys, welcome
I
back.
think you mean Ant.
Dude, did you know that Sega bought Angry Birds?
Are you serious?
I am. Go look it
You're
up.
messing with. You are
Dude,
no.
look it up. Look it up. It's a thing.
Dude, what do you mean Angry Birds bought? Or
No,
wait.
no, Sega bought Angry Birds. Look it up right now.
I will. Sega bought Angry Birds. Sega is acquiring Angry Birds. Announced today. It's paying. Wow. 775 million, bro.
Dude, we're gonna get an Angry Birds and Sonic collab.
I wouldn't mind that.
Yeah, honestly.
They should throw Angry Birds into the Super Smash Brothers.
Oh my god, wait, that can happen now. Dude, that's actually a
Yes.
thing that can happen now.
Yes.
Dude, I will main Red from Angry Birds. If it's
It actually won't.
if it's the classic Red. If it's the movie Red, I'm not maining Red. Screw that.
I would rather it be rather than hey guys, it's me, Red from Angry Birds.
You know there was a
I'm so sad.
you know on the Angry Birds TikTok there was a Red Smasher Pass, like officially.
Carlo, this is why I tell you these things.
Tell me what.
It all comes back down to that video idea I gave you quite a long time ago
Oh yeah.
when the the whole trend was trending.
I'm not doing that.
Whatever.
It'll ruin so many childhoods. I can't do that.
Man, you're just afraid to announce your love for a bunch of birds.
All right, you do it then.
I'd smash them all. The cops can't stop me.
They're birds.
Bro, you ever played Minecraft Story Mode or watched anybody play
I've
Minecraft Story
watched a
Mode?
lot of it. I think I played the Netflix version.
Bro, remember when you're supposed to jump over the chickens?
Oh my
And you hit a
god.
button to do that, but
Yeah.
if you don't hit the button, Jesse runs into the chickens.
Chickadee.
Bro, he said damn chickens.
He
Hey,
can't say that.
I think I went nuts.
Dude, he
went
can't
nuts,
say
man. Jesse from Minecraft Story Mode
that.
said the D word in
How
Minecraft
could he?
in real life.
Dude. We need to
I
get
don't
this.
think that's the only. I don't think it's the only time they said like a bad word
Dude, that's
in
like
the Minecraft universe.
Minecraft lore.
Forgot like I kind of forgot. I don't know why I immediately thought of it.
It's just that traumatic. They
I
traumatized you.
know, dude. Now, anytime somebody says the D word, or the C word, or the J word, or the M word, I immediately think of that, and I just go crazy.
That would be the perfect cue for me to say the N word, and it would be a really funny joke.
You should have said it without telling me, and it would have been so funny. You
Hey
ruined it
guys.
now.
No,
Hey
but we're not.
guys.
But we're not allowed because this is the internet. No one says bad things on the internet.
No, but we're not live. Or I'm sorry, we are live. We're
Yeah,
doing this live.
guys,
This
we're
is
live
happening.
right now.
This is happening live.
Totally.
But most likely you're watching this after it's not live. So wait, after it's live. So you're just getting the secondary experience. You could have been here when it happened,
Yeah,
but you weren't.
we're
So maybe next time, just drop on by, say hello, maybe even say goodbye. What you
goodbye.
want? Never shoot your girlfriend.
Wait, is that like? Cause I know you have one. Is that like?
In life, there's gonna be roadblocks. Your job is to overcome the roadblocks.
Shiz, when I make the diss track, are you gonna make a response?
It'd be the right thing to do.
It would. It would.
It's what Jesus would want me doing.
You're not prepared for what I have planned, man.
My bro finna lay down the hardest. Lay down the meanest, lay down the stinkiest. And I can't wait to just eat it.
You should make a reaction video to it.
What is up, guys, and welcome to my
Hey guys,
reaction
Dan
channel.
here.
Hello, everybody! Wait, hold on.
That was the Stampy Long-Nosed intro.
Hello! This is Markiplier.
Dude, that's nostalgic.
Miss that guy. He's still alive.
No,
I
he
just
died.
don't like.
He died.
Don't say that. Not about the cat, man.
Not
The first furry I've ever encountered.
first, but not last.
Dude, every time I'm not gonna say what okay.
Hey man, calm down, calm down.
Just cut that out of the video. I mean, well, we can. It's
Yeah,
live.
we're live, man.
Anyways, um, you know the channel Official Duck Studios.
Official duck. Whoa, dumb duck.
Whoa!
Whoa.
And the official one, not the third party.
I have no idea what Duck Studios is.
It doesn't matter. Anyway, he got his channel banned on Twitch for who knows how long. You want to know what he did?
What did he do?
Sorry, what they did?
What?
Anyway, let me just I'll just give you the basic playout, but I'm all the characters.
Okay. All of them.
Guys, today we're gonna send our friend Joey behind the closet door so he can get a shot of us testing out if this crossbow can puncture the closet door. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1.
And then he died.
Are you okay, Joey? Joey, Joey, are you good? Are you faking it? Anyways, yeah.
Man, wait. So was he faking it?
No, he got shot with a crossbow.
That seems like a reason to get banned off Twitch. That's pretty extreme. That's pretty
I
punk.
know.
It's pretty punk rock, bro.
But listen, I don't know what was going through Joey's mind. Hey, this is a good idea. Let me just risk my entire life.
Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking.
It's nuts.
Shiz, we should
Or like
recreate
maybe he
that.
could have like not. Yeah, let's guys. 3 p.m. Saturday, April
What day
29th.
is that? Saturday?
April 29th, Saturday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. join. Make sure to slide on into Carlos's Twitch channel. We're gonna do
I should
this,
go live as like a joke and it's just a black screen.
or just a rickroll.
Alright, guys, make sure to tune into twitch.tv/Carlos Kazid. Do you have a Twitch? I don't remember.
I do, but I just like don't.
I started multi-streaming so that I stream to both YouTube and Twitch.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I also haven't streamed in like 2 weeks.
For the people who love your streams.
Yeah, man, the two people. We're gonna do the Among Us proximity chat at some point.
Oh yeah, advertise.
Yeah. Gamers, make sure to May 6th
Yeah, make sure to tune in.
and
It
listen.
gonna get crazy.
It's gonna get very epic game.
Gonna get
Sponsored
super
by Unreal
duper.
Engine.
Well, we can say it. Man, I've had so many sponsorships.
Same. We're just so famous.
Squarespace.
Dude, Genshin Impact tried to sponsor me.
Dude, if we got sponsored by Genshin, in fact, I'd decline it. I got a friend who's like super into Genshin. He
Dude,
spent like 80 of his like hard-earned life savings on that game.
why?
The mobile game with the anime characters
I've probably spent way more on Roblox. I'm not even gonna lie.
and the thirst traps and the babies and the baby thirst traps.
The what?
Anyways, basically, I mean there is no basically.
Basically.
Anyways, I think we should go to ad breaks now.
All right, guys.
What do you think?
What's the ad break?
Just we cut it here and then we insert an advertisement.
We should make it joke ads or something.
And we are back from advertisements.
Yeah. What are we gonna set as an ad?
That's something we'll discuss after this is out.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. After this is out, we'll add ads after this is out.
Yes. Cause you're gonna cut that part out of the video.
Yeah. Totally. Totally.
Anyways, we're back from ads. What you guys think of those ads?
Man, those are some
Comment
epic.
right now, cause I can see.
I feel like when I distribute the podcast, I could actually add ads to some bits of it.
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We're doing it at the. There's gonna be two separate versions of this, because we're both
The live
distributing.
one and then the post production.
Yeah.
Whatever. Guys, I ain't too smart.
It's fine. Funny.
What is something we can talk about now?
Did you hear Sega bought Angry Birds?
No way.
Bro, look it
Are
up
you
right
like
now.
actually?
Bro, look
You're
it up.
kidding me.
Look it up right now.
Holy crap! Hold on. Sega. Why did? Hold on. Sega is acquiring Angry Birds developer. The company announced today, paying around 775 million. Dude, what?
Dude, we could get a Smash. We could get Angry Birds in Smash.
No. At the vacancy, it's not.
Dude, I'm
The
getting
demo
major.
Smash.
I'm
Smash
getting
is
major
over.
deja vu, but it's just a burning memory.
We're not gonna get a new Smash until
Till the Switch, till the new Switch, which also won't
Yeah,
be
the-
for ages.
the Switch 2.
The Switch or the what would it be called? The Switch 2, or would it be called the Nintendo Switch U?
Oh man. I'm thinking the Nintendo.
Man, that's an epic name.
Just the Nintendo.
The Nintendo. Dude, we could bring guests on the podcast.
We can.
Yeah.
Like Mr. Beast, Kanye West,
I'm not sure
Markiplier.
about Kanye yet. I'm not sure about Kanye West, bro.
Why Kanye of all the other people? Are you
What?
racist, Carlos?
Dwayne the Rock Johnson and Kevin Hart.
Ken Hart.
Dude, they starred in like The Secret Life of Pets.
Dwayne Johnson.
No, that's just Kevin Hart.
Said they, and I immediately assumed that you were talking about two people.
I mean, yeah, but I thought it was two people, but it was only Kevin
Kevin Hart's just a fusion.
Hart. Bless you,
Dude, if Kevin Hart was a fusion,
bro. Like Steven
the
Universe.
the two people that make him are probably like microscopic.
No, come on, man. I feel he's average height at the time, bro. That's a history.
Everybody else is
read.
just super tall.
He's just really tall, and all of us are just way taller.
Mm-hmm. How old is how tall? How
How
high is Kevin Hart?
how how high is he?
How high is he?
Can
What
we
is
get
the length
much
of
higher?
average Kevin Hart? How high,
He's actually
Kevin? Kevin is 2 inches.
Hey,
5 feet and 2 inches.
wait,
Sorry.
wait a minute.
Kevin is 5'2". I am taller than Kevin.
Dude, so am I.
I'm 5. How tall are you, Carlos?
Last time I checked, I think it was 5'5" or 5'6". I don't remember.
When was that?
Like last year, I think.
Like 3 years ago.
Dude, you're like 2 years older than me. You can't make fun of me.
Carlos, I am microscopic, and I'm short.
That those are synonyms.
The what?
Synonyms.
Synonyms?
M&M's. Eminem. Bro, we gotta get Eminem on here.
Yo, bro. Bro, who is this Ice Spice kid? Am I right?
Who the dude? That name's familiar. I genuinely don't know who you're
Like,
talking
who
about.
is you? Let me. Does this ring a bell? Escape Ice Spice Obby.
No, all I've been doing is playing Navy Simulator, bro.
Bro, the same chick from Escape Ice Spice Obby also makes music. I think. I think she makes music.
Dude,
Whoa. I think she makes music.
Dude, I don't-
Sorry, excuse
I
me,
don't-
everybody.
Bless you, bless you,
Thank you.
dude. I don't.
I genuinely don't know what she does.
Neither
I
do
think
I.
she sings.
Dude, Roblox concert.
Dude, no way. I
Dude,
would
we gotta
lose my
get a
mind if
Shazzy
Ice Spice
Roblox
had a-
concert.
Yo, it's just like this exact episode.
Just
And
playing in
you
audio
see like people just doing like the flossing and the dolphin,
and the hype dance.
whatever kind of yeah. And then while that's happening, there's like the Cindy raid that was
Oh.
promised like 2 years ago.
Dude, remember the freaking
Oh,
egg
you remember
hunt?
that? They were gonna do the Cindy raid,
Cindy raid. My
just
brain.
like how they did the junk bot raid.
Oh yeah, the junk. Dude, I remember
You
that.
would- yeah, you made a video on it.
Yeah, I did. I
should-
also
Shazazzle.
with the Shazazzle.
Yo, guys, make sure to go watch that video.
No, don't watch it.
No, don't watch that video.
Guys,
Don't
go
even
watch
do it.
Epic Shazam episode 2.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'll put it in the description. I'll put it in the
Epic
description.
Shazam. Everybody knows what that is.
Yeah, totally, man.
Even you.
Yeah.
That guy. You
That-
see him? Look at that guy right there.
Yeah, look at him. This is audio, so what the heck?
We're talking to we're talking to this guy. The guy that's
Yeah,
like listening.
Because we're live.
The
He
guy-
just broke through my window.
No, he's just sitting down, I think. Or no, maybe he's standing up. That's up to him to
You can't.
them to decide. Sorry, I
Dude, your
didn't mean to
character used
assume
to
your
be a
gender.
golf ball with a face drawn on it. Let that sink in.
It wasn't a golf ball. It was like. What do you? Like, nobody's gonna know what we're talking about.
Dude, it has bezels. It's a golf ball.
Bezels.
Like the
Gee,
little
you're so like intellectual.
the little divots and the holes in it.
Man, you can call me a man. You can. I mean,
Yeah,
Sin City wasn't made for you.
don't get us
Angels
copyrighted.
like you.
You're gonna get us copyrighted, man.
My singing is just so spot on from the actual
Exactly.
song that
It's like the whole
nobody
just the
would
two
even
of us thing.
notice. Yeah, bro. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
Story of Under. Did you see I stole that joke in my Among Us video?
Yes, you told me about this.
Yeah, I forgot, but I stole it because it was a cool reference.
Bro, I'm ready for Carlos' singing voice reveal.
Oh God, dude, go
Yo,
back to the
my name
old
is
myth.
Carlos.
Dude, just go back to the old MythBusters theme song.
My God. Can we play? Can we get our editor to
I
our
can.
edit? I say it like we're a corporation.
Let's get the sound
Let's
guy.
get
Yo,
yeah,
Dave.
a editor. Uh, Michael. Michael. Make sure put a clip of that
I could just
right
play. I
now
could just
of
play
the
it through
myth.
the phone.
No,
I'm gonna play it through the
no,
phone.
no.
I'm doing it.
I said
You
no.
can't stop me.
Make me.
No, I will
Make me,
not make you
bro.
stop me.
I don't make trash. I burn it.
Dude, where do I where, dude, okay, where do I find the old MythBusters theme song? I just have to scroll down.
You can go to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button. Then go
Yeah,
down to
guys.
playlists,
Dude, I
and
found
then
the freaking
featuring.
dude, I found the freaking Minecraft like Annie's old Minecraft video that I edited that we were both in.
Yeah, that I told you that you need to re-edit that, like
I
in
don't
twenty
I don't
three.
have the raw version anymore.
Just get the edited version and edit it again,
But then there's just gonna
and
be
then
random music I added.
cut it.
You know what? Maybe I
Or
will
just
re-edit that. That was 3 year. Hold on. When did I? Maybe I could do it as like some four
it
year
was like
anniversary.
4 years.
What day was it? October 11th. So on October 11th, if I remember, I'll do it.
I'm Epic Shazam, by the way.
Rumbly Cran 797. Okay, I
I
gotta.
had to like actually. I think
Dude, all my thumbnails used to be just text.
I know. What were you thinking?
I don't know.
They were much better than my thumbnails.
No,
If you even remember
no,
what
they
those
weren't.
looked like.
Okay. Wait. I found it. I found it.
God, I heard myself twice when with.
Dude, I found it.
Found
Oh,
what?
I don't want to play it anymore.
I also found it. I found it much quicker than you after I gave you the
I'm playing
instructions
it.
on how to find it.
When
You didn't.
something strange in your Roblox server, who are you gonna call? Mythbusters. When there's something weird in your friend request, who are you gonna call? Mythbusters.
Bless you. Why was it that song?
Bro. God. Dude, I'm pretty sure I remember us making that.
Yeah, I screen recorded like the little logo you made, and then we just did that.
Oh my god. Bro, we need to do that again. We need
Oh
to
my god, we have to
Mythbusters.
remaster it.
Let's do it right now. Ready?
Oh my no.
Do you know the lyrics?
I when there's something strange in your Roblox game.
No, no, no. Okay, ready?
No,
Three,
we're not doing it
two,
now.
1. When there's something strange
Wait, dude,
in
we
your
don't even
role,
have we don't even have the music.
get it ready. Whatever you,
I don't know what
whatever
it's
music that
called.
is. Just play like royalty-free dubstep music for intros.
That's exactly what that dude. I'm 100% sure that song was on NCS. Dude, I wonder if I could find
NCS.
it. I wonder if I scroll up far enough in the old Myth Hunters group chat if I could find it.
Alan Wanka, Night Cool.
What? I forgot we added Bilal. Dude, we
And
should
that was
bring.
that Logan
Dude, we
kid.
gotta bring Myth Monday back.
I know.
That could be a Shazid thing.
No, it's a Carlos thing. It's
But,
always
like-
been a Carlos thing. It's gonna always be a Carlos thing.
All right. We gotta bring Myth Monday back. There's the deleted account of. I think the guy's name was Logan. Dude, I found it. Bless you.
Thank you. And I really need to stop doing drugs.
I know, right? Dude,
You want
dude, it's
the-
just this. Look at that.
Wow, let's listen. It is NCS.
It is. I told you.
All right. Now that that's ready, are you ready?
I don't want to do it now.
We had 3 minutes.
With people outside my bedroom.
I think there was people outside my bedroom when we were doing that. That's why I'm
I-
so dang quiet.
Dude, you didn't even say anything.
I did.
I didn't even hear you. I do have earbuds on.
We sound the exact same at that age.
Hold on, wait. I should skip forward in the video. What do we sound like? I'm scared.
We sound literally the exact same.
Hold on, wait. Let me skip to like here.
At a certain part, it's not transparent anymore. I need to see it. I need to see it. Come back. Okay, someone joined the game. Well, that's new. Come
It was
back.
like so.
It was like so. Dude, I can barely even hear you.
It's because I was this far away from my mic and I was talking at this.
Bro,
This-
remember when
this-
you would like disappear for months on end and then randomly come back?
What are you talking about?
But back then you would just disappear for like, not months, but like maybe a month or two and then come back.
Like when making music, YouTube videos? I was
No,
gonna say
just
music
in
videos.
general. Like you just disappear.
I very much do not remember that.
I bet I could ask Annie. I bet Annie. Dude, Google Hangouts.
Oh my god.
And then it cut your name to just the.
That's my Roblox username. Guys, make sure to friend me on Roblox. Duh.
The Shazale.
Me too. Anyway, if you are not watching the Super Mario Brothers Super Show right now, you're gonna turn into a Goomba.
Dude, my friend sent me like an online, like ported version of Mario 64, like the full game.
Hey, Larry. Well, no, that's the name of my red sheep.
Oh yeah, Larry.
He's red because he's covered in the blood of our enemies.
They're on the Larry and Chickadee are on the editing team.
Yeah. Hey, Chickadee. Why don't you go make me?
That's going in the diss track.
Yo, Chickadee. Why don't you bring me a Pepsi? I'm thirsty.
I don't think I've ever drinking a Pepsi in
Please.
my entire life.
Pepsi kind of.
I don't-
Pepsi kind of.
I don't really drink any
like it-
soda because I drink carbonation and I don't like the carbonation. I gotta try soda. I feel like I'd like at least one of them, maybe both.
Jeep Wrangler. Bass fishing. Maroon 5. Burger King.
Those are synonyms.
What are we talking about?
I don't.
Anyways, I feel like I was gonna say something clever.
Did you know Sega bought Angry Birds?
No way. We can't keep doing this.
Dude. It would be funny though.
Do you know they're making a Super Mario Brothers movie?
Dude, are you serious?
I'm serious.
Dude, did you know they're making a FNAF movie?
No way.
Dude, they're making a third
Did you
Angry
know
Birds movie.
that Markiplier will absolutely be in it?
No. He told
No
me
doubt.
himself he's not gonna be in it.
Oh yeah, you're right. He's right. He did say, I know nothing about the FNAF movie.
Yeah.
Things I can definitely tell you about the FNAF movie, which I do not know about the FNAF. But that. Dude, somebody please make a compilation of Dushy Zazzle just absolutely losing his mind, having a stroke, and then just saying absolute nonsense.
Why do you sound like someone from MK?
Who?
MK, like the one Reddit channel.
Who?
Just someone from there. They have
All
like
of them.
multiple narrators and some old ones that don't do things anymore.
Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Oh yeah, we're at the 30
Smash
minute mark.
that like.
Just letting you know we're at the
30-minute mark.
Yeah.
Should we like stop?
Should we call it for episode 1 official?
Not until we remaster the Myth Monday.
Dude,
Myth
we're gonna
Hunters
be here
theme.
forever, man.
Like, come on, Carlos. You and I, ready?
Dude, can
ready?
we just wait till I'm like
3,
No, stop.
2,
Stop.
1.
Can we just wait till I'm home alone? The movie.
Wait till you're home alone.
Yeah.
I just farted when I said that.
Bless you.
I'm glad we're not live. Which we are.
Yeah, I'm not
We
cutting
are
that
live.
out.
Okay. Please. I don't want to look like a dumb duck.
A dumb duck.
Dumb duck is the guy who farts. He's like Wario. You and me, we're
Is
like
that his
Mario.
thing? Is that just Wario's thing?
Carlos.
What?
Gotta cut this out of the video because this is a $1 billion idea.
What?
Gets and Shiggles. Roblox. Mario, Luigi,
Oh
Wario,
my
and
God!
Waluigi.
I'm sending that in the group chat right now. I'm sending that in the group chat right now.
Could you
uh,
imagine?
Wait, I think Dumb Duck said he doesn't play Roblox.
I need to. Who doesn't play Roblox?
Dumb Duck.
Dude, my English teacher plays Roblox.
Baller, man.
I'm serious.
I know, I believe you. What does
I
this
was
guy
talking to
think
my-
he's on? What does this guy think he's on? I don't believe him for a second. Bless you, bless you,
What?
bless you.
Thank you. But what did you say?
Nothing.
Okay. I believe you.
Oh yeah, Bob, did you hear Sega bought Angry Birds?
No way.
Bro,
You're kidding me.
I'm not. Look it up right now.
No way.
Dude, look it up right now.
No
Look
way.
it up right now.
No way.
Dude, look it up right now.
No way.
Dude, this is just a burning memory.
This is a certified hood
I
classic.
forgot you had a soundboard.
Did you hear me?
I did.
You did. You heard
This is a
me.
certified
Not-
hood classic.
No, did you hear my voice?
No, it only played the soundboard. Is that what did you drink?
Bloxy Cola.
Oh yeah. Man, can I get some of that?
No.
Just pass it over just pass it over, bro.
All right.
Don't
I'm
careful,
holding it up
careful.
to
Don't
my
hit,
microphone.
Don't hit the mic. Don't hit the mic.
Oh no, I won't.
Dude, you hit the mic.
I hit the mic.
Bro!
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Oh, dude. The mic. Look at him. Look at the mic. He's angry.
Oh God.
Don't be so angry, Mr. Mike.
I haven't played work at a pizza place in so long.
Sorry, Mike.
I think I've spent like probably 5,000 or more Robux on work at a pizza place.
I don't.
Dude,
I don't.
dude, you should see my house. It's
I don't.
freaking epic. It's
I
huge.
don't. I don't.
Just like your
I don't
don't what?
remember asking.
Did you hear about the mall situation with like the whole MSM thing?
No?
My ball! My balls.
What happened? Tell me about it.
My balls.
What?
I knew that would work on you because you actually know what My Singing Monsters is.
A moss situation?
My
My balls.
dude, we're we're so stupid.
Oh, you're so good at this video game.
Thanks, man. I love the video game Back of the Fridge.
Exactly.
Like the egg cooker I still have to send you.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, no, I have to hand deliver it.
Exactly.
How far is a drive from here
Just
to
like the
from
egg
here
cooker
to
that you are
Alabama,
going
which is
to
the state you
stop.
live in?
Don't even lie, because people are gonna all of my fans that I have are gonna go to Alabama and see that I'm not there.
Okay, guys, my
And then
bad.
you know
He
what?
lives in
You know what's
Mississippi.
gonna happen? I do.
Yep.
You're just naming all the surrounding states that are the farthest from.
I don't even know where
actually live.
Mississippi is.
It's in the place.
I just type in your state and then I tap direction.
Yeah. I'll just type it out for you.
No, I already did. Finding best route. It's
Come
only
on down,
20. It's
Carlos.
only 21 hours.
21 hours. That's almost 22 hours.
It's like a road trip episode.
Dude, me and the boys driving
Funny
the
squad
car.
meetup.
You mean Gets and Shiggles?
Yeah, because the rest of us are literally in the same state. You're the only one out.
Okay, Carlos.
Yes, I'm on the phone and recording. What? Just wait for it to fall out. Well, then
Peanut!
wait longer.
I can't close my mouth or it hurts. I'm pulling it out.
No, just wait. You should wait. Oh my God! Don't. do that.
Peanut! Why do you always walk in when Carlos is on the phone?
Exactly. Come on. Well, at least he
Stupid
closed the
Peanut.
door this time.
Anyway, Carlos, is there any more like you want to add?
I can make a cool road trip video when I'm old enough to drive.
Yes, I'm old enough to drive.
That's true.
I'm gonna just come on down.
I only got like one more year.
Well, guys, I think that's all for today's podcast
Thank
video.
you for listening.
Thank
to
you for tuning in.
Epic Game.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notifications and subscribe
Dude,
to
I only know this
Carlos
song
Kazid
because of
and
Loud House
Bishazad.
comics.
What? Anyway, guys, that's gonna commence our podcast for today's podcast. Carlo, take it away.
Thanks for watching. Check out me and Shiz's individual channels. We do cool videos. And subscribe or follow or whatever you're listening on is the equivalent. Anyways, I'm ending the recording.